This time of year is my favorite time of year when it comes to getting prepping gear inexpensively because of Amazon Prime Days. Oh, it's a great time. And more specifically, there's one item I really want to show you that's on sale, big savings, the Ecoflow Delta 2. We've talked about this before. It is a top-notch solar generator system, and it literally has won awards for its innovations. And if you give me just a few minutes of your time, I want to show you the amazing things it does. And this sale is amazing because it is prime power with prime savings. First off, Naomi and I modeled this unit about a month ago, and it is fantastic. And it works perfectly for your needs as a standalone solar generator. But the way it connects with other things too, it provides a ecosystem, is the way to go. Because it works in conjunction with other systems. For example, one of my favorite systems, the Ecoflow Wave 2. It provides battery-powered heat and air conditioning because it's the perfect system for either camping or for a grid down. Could you imagine grid going down in Florida without any type of air conditioning? Well, maybe you can get away with it. How about grid down in Michigan without any heat? This literally could be life or death. But again, as a standalone solar generator system, it can provide heat on those cold nights too, because it has a unique feature called X-Boost. It provides extra power when you need it. For example, here I am powering a ceramic heater, essential for those frigid nights when you don't have any power. That's great. And charging it couldn't be more simple. These jacks allow you to charge it, for example, with your car. Simply plug it in the cigarette lighter, or in most cars' cases, a cigarette adapter now, and be able to power on the run, on the go. Maybe you're traveling, maybe you're car camping, whatever it may be, on the road, you can actually now power up your Delta 2 Max, which can then in turn run whatever you need to, like maybe a fridge or freezer, which is always a really nice, handy thing to have while you're traveling. But since there's actually two input jacks, let me show you what it can do. It can connect two completely separate solar panel systems at the same time. And each solar panel charges independently. It has its own separate charge controller. I have never seen a solar generator that does this. Now, you want to use that power, right? Of course you do. It has 15 power outlets with 6 typical electrical outlets, the 12-volt jacks, which we depend on, and USB jacks for all your devices. But wait, we're talking about power, and you want to have more power, right? It's also expandable with extra batteries. This is great. And that's what connects in these ports as well, which these batteries are also on sale. And by the way, the sale is not simply just for Prime Days. No, it goes until July 23rd. Lastly, let's talk about how easy it is to use. It's super easy. Everything is displayed very nicely, clear as day. How much power is going into the system to charge it, how much power is going out of this system, the battery life, and how long you can go with that configuration. Plus, you can monitor it and control it via a very handy app, which shows all of your Ecoflow devices, so you can control them all. Very cool. I love this. It's so easy. Okay, let's talk about the sale now. Of course, we all love sales. We want to buy our equipment, but get it more inexpensively, right? So this sale goes until July 23rd, and you can save up to 58% off most Ecoflow devices. Look at this. This Delta 2 Max that I have, 32% off. That's great. And the Delta 2 Max with a 220-watt solar panel, 37% off. But guess what? In previous videos, we also mentioned the brand new Delta Pro 3. It's also on sale. You can see here it's on sale with an extra battery or with the solar panels. Very nice. So if you've been saving up or been waiting for the perfect time to buy your Ecoflow device or Ecoflow system, now is the time. These prices are amazing. Now until July 23rd, get it before it's gone. Don't wait, and do not let these savings pass you by. We love our Ecoflow systems. In the description below, you can click on the link to pick them up. They are simply fantastic. We love them, and I'm sure you will too. Because look, when the power goes out, you don't want to leave certain things to chance, because remember, if it's like in the winter, for example, your life literally may depend on it. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.